Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's not welcome back, it's the first video. So, ever wondered how professional developers spin up React apps with server-side power, SEO magic and blazing performance? That's Next.js. Yes, this is what the video is about. And in this video, I will show you how to set up your first Next.js project in a few minutes. So, here you can see here's the documentation. So let's go to documentation. This is the docs. If you want to study anything, the first is the documentation. It's the simplified version. You will get the direct and concise data to understand the Next.js here. So Next.js is React framework built for production. Think of it like React or steroids. It gives you routing, SSR, that is nothing but static server-side rendering and static generation and performance boost out of the box. Okay, so here you can see how to use the docs. Like it itself tell that how to use me, right? So basically there are two routers. One is app router, which is the older one, and other is the pages router, right? So the pages router is the older one actually, and the app router is the newer one, which is the modified one also, and it is very good and efficient. So make sure you use app router only. So what about the prerequisites? Talking about the prerequisites, the you have installed Node.js, that is version 16. So if we go to installation, so here you can see, okay, now it's 18.18. So as Node.js version releases and updates regularly, so they also Next.js also updates it. So you require Node.js 18.18 or later for running Next.js app. So these are the commands which will create the next app. You can see here we will run this command in the terminal and it will automate the process, which is the efficient one. So we will start setting up Next.js, but the prerequisites are the important one. So the prerequisites, before we start, make sure you have Node.js installed, that is 18.18 or later, a code editor. So for a code editor, you can use the professionalized VS Code only. This is the better, and this is advanced also. So this is Visual Studio Code. This is available for here from, you can download it for download from Windows, and it is available in Microsoft Office also, this store. So let's see how to install it, how to set up the Next.js app. So this is the command which will be running in our project directory. So this will ask us, like this will ask the user, prompt the user that you want the TypeScript, ESLint, Tailwind CSS, app router that I have earlier told you. App router is also recommended because it's a newer one. So here is the manual installation, but the automatic installation is only recommended because it will set up the folder structure, file structures automatically. So alright, let's create our next app. You can direct to any folder you can make, and here in projects I will make the project, my next project, and I will name it as app tutorial. So we will open it in command prompt. CMD, by writing here CMD, it will open this folder structure, this folder path in command prompt. Here I will write a command code dot. I have installed VS Code earlier, so like hitting this command here, it will navigate me to VS Code with this directory. With this directory, it will navigate me to VS Code. So here you can see VS Code is there, and here is the project folder. We will simply do is we will go to the documentation. Each and everything is there in the documentation. Like, see, I have to install it. I will copy this command, Control C, and I will paste it here. Correct? So it will ask me, it will prompt the user which is the requirement. See, it's asking for project name. I will name the project as app tutorial. Make sure that there is no capital letter in this name, because capital letters are not allowed. It will give you an error and it will ask you the name again if you will add any capital letter anywhere. So TypeScript, we will be using TypeScript, ESLint, yes. Tailwind CSS is not required. SSH directory, app router, that is recommended also in new also, yes. Turbo pack not required, no. So now you can see here is our project and it is getting installed. It is getting installed because there is the node modules also which it will be downloading, and it will be keeping it here only. We will wait for a while, and until then we can see this project structure. There are two different kind of project structure. One is app router, one is pages router. Pages router, the old one; app router, the new one. Okay, so we have been doing with app router only. So these are the files. Once the setup is complete, I will show you different kind type of files there available. So the main part is, like, if we have to develop a website, there is front end and back end. And for front end we can use React.js, and for back end we can use Node.js, Express.js as a merge stack. So in Next.js you can do front end and back end in one single app. Like, this is the app. Yeah, now the app is also created success. So you can do front end and back end both here. I will tell you how, and we will do it also. So first of all, we can see package.json scripts. We will use dev script for running the app. And here is the folder structure, src app. And here you can see this is a page.tsx. This is the first page which will be rendered at the root, and followed by layout.tsx. This is the layout, and here children's will be rendered. So layout is nothing but, like, if you have rooms, rooms have four walls, correct? So, like, basic home rooms have four walls. So that four walls are the layout of the rooms. There can be multiple rooms, but the four walls remain the same. That's the layout. So now we can see here, we will, let's hit the command. I will hit npm run dev. So this will be starting my server. Why it's giving me npm run dev missing? Oh, okay. So guys, we haven't changed the directory. Firstly, we will change the directory to app tutorial. Yeah, so we will be running that command here. So this will do nothing. This will do start our server. So here is the local server, here is the network server. I will copy my local host and I will go and I will paste it here. So this will start the server, and we can see also, like, it is compiling here. When it's finished, yeah, it's compiled now. Get request, okay. So here you can see this is the Next.js. Let me show you the good magic here, like, for which Next.js is most popular. So here is Next.js. This is the Next.js logo, correct? I will comment this, and I will not need to refresh the page. See, it's refreshed automatically. So I will add some more tags here. Let's see, h1 tag, and I will write hello world, and you can see it's automatically updating here. Like, you will change this, you can see this, you can change this, you can see there's no need to come here and refresh it, nothing. You will just change it, and you can see here I will add multiple h1s. Okay, let me copy it. Like, I will be adding here. Okay, once you stop, it will automatically refresh it. See, it's refreshing. It's looking bad actually. I will keep one only. Yeah. So here is the tutorial of setting up the Next.js app. We will deploying it also. We will be using the backend also for backend. we can make here one API folder. In srci we can make one API folder, and there we will be having our all the APIs for the backend, and front end backend will be deployed in a single app. That's the basic functionality of Next.js. So I will be winding up here, so you can refer this documentation. You can, if you want any kind of a help, you can ask me. And guys, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share, because this is all the motivation which I am doing for. Correct. So, and you can ask me also, like, this is, I don't have any script like I have to make this, make this, make this. I will be giving, like, you can ask me for making any kind of app, like you want e-commerce app, you want logistic app, we will be doing it. I have to make one project to demonstrate Next.js. You can ask me the project, and whichever votes will be more, like e-commerce more votes will be more, logistic votes will be more, we will make it. So thank you guys, and do subscribe, like, comment, and share. I will be closing my video now.